For context, let's just say the expansion of Davao Light and Power Company to address its power problem within the province of Davao del Norte, where Nordeco persists its numerous brownouts. Is it a like or a dislike? Okay, so explain why, since ang Panabo City is part of Davao Light.
Yes, sir. I definitely agree with that statement since if that purpose is will definitely give us good things, then I definitely agree with it. There is no problem upon widening your horizon or upon widening the organization of Davao Light, since it could definitely gives us a more efficient electricity here in Panabo City or here in Davao del Norte. And I would like to tell you guys that here in Panabo City we have stable electricity, and that is because the Davao Light is doing their best to provide efficient and more stable electricity that they can.